If you don't like dealing with tech headaches but still want a working TV, then follow these easy steps. First, unplug your TV from the wall and wait 60 seconds. While you wait, press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and try turning it on. Next, try a different power outlet. Sometimes it's that simple. Is the standby light on? If not, we might have a power supply issue. If it's blinking, there's an error. Solid light but no display? Check the backlight. Grab a flashlight and shine it on the screen. See a faint image? Backlight or power board might be the culprit. Unplug all external devices, check the power cord, and try the Samsung SmartThings app. Still no luck? Reach out to Samsung support. You got this.